In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a tracking number to an eBay shipped item. This is an essential step in keeping your buyers informed and your transactions running smoothly. We'll go through each step together so that you can easily manage your eBay orders with confidence. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to ebay.com and log into your account. It's important to ensure you're logging into the correct account where your items are listed, as this is where you'll be making the updates. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main page. Look toward the top of the page and click on Sell. This is where you'll manage your listings and orders. eBay has designed this interface to be user-friendly, making it easy for you to navigate and find the options you need. Once you're in the Sell section, the next move is to hover over the Orders section. This is where all of your transaction activities are recorded, and you'll need to navigate to the Paid and Shipped area. When you click on this section, it will display all your transactions where payment has been received and the items should be shipped. It's a convenient way to keep track of what's been sold and what needs action on your part. Here, you can find the specific item you wish to update with a tracking number. It's crucial to ensure that the item is marked as shipped before proceeding. If it isn't already marked, now is the perfect time to do so. Once you identify the listing, look over to the right-hand side where you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Dispatch. Click on it to reveal more options. From these options, you will select Add Tracking. This is the key step in this process where you'll input the necessary tracking details. Now you'll see fields where you can type in the tracking number. This number is provided by your shipping carrier, and it's what allows both you and your customer to follow the package's journey. Along with the tracking number, you'll also need to select or type in the carrier name. It's very important to enter these details accurately to avoid any confusion or miscommunication with the buyer. After entering both the tracking number and the carrier's name, go ahead and click on Save. By clicking Save, eBay will automatically send an update to your buyer, notifying them that the package is on its way and providing them with the tracking number. This update will give your customer peace of mind and improve their buying experience. And there you have it. You've successfully added a tracking number to an eBay shipped item. This process not only helps maintain clear communication with your buyer, but also secures your reputation as a responsible and customer-focused seller. Always double-check your details before saving, and you'll have no issues managing your shipped items on eBay. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.